Okay, so here's the Hershey's chocolate. Okay, I bought a snack size. It's a little easier to use snack size. And then you're going to melt your chocolate in the microwave. You want to be very careful, though, not to overcook it or to burn it. And this is what my chocolate looks like. Okay, I have a plate right here. Okay. So I was just making sure that no one had any allergies. If you have an allergy to chocolate or strawberries, this is not the food that you want to eat. So be very careful you don't have any allergies. All right. Let me just give you a little background. Strawberries are the only fruit whose seeds are on the outside. And these strawberries, as I said before, are organic. Try to get the freshest strawberries you can find when you do this. All right. Okay, so you don't want to just take the strawberries from the store and open the container and then use them. What you want to make sure you do is, even though these are organic strawberries, you want to take a few moments and wash them. Okay? Then when you dry them, they should be fine for the chocolate. All right. Okay, so let's get going. I have a paper towel here. Okay. You can get something from around your house, either a cookie tin or just a plain tin to put them in for your mother. You're also going to need some wax paper. Okay. Just a little sheet of wax paper. Okay. So we're going to start. I'm using a paper towel to make sure that my strawberries are dry. Okay. And then I'm going to put them in my. Now, just a reminder, the chocolate you don't want to heat for more than 30 seconds at a time. Okay? Because the chocolate could burn easily. So after 30 seconds, you want to move it around and see how melted it is. All right, so here we go. I am going to put only half of, I'm only going to put half of the strawberry in the chocolate. And there it is. It should look like that. And then if you want to, you can sprinkle them with these sprinkles. Okay, so I'm just going to try that. Okay, you don't have to put sprinkles on them, but it looks really cute. So there's your chocolate, and I'm just going to lay this down on my wax paper. Okay. It can get a little messy, so you have to be careful. But this is my chocolate strawberry. I'm putting it right on my wax paper. Okay, and then I'm going to let it just sit for a few minutes. Okay. Have you ever done chocolate fondue before? No? Have you ever tried doing chocolate fondue? Okay. I'm going to do another strawberry. This time I'm going to make it all chocolate.
Sorry, can you just consider?
I was getting it in the oven.
Okay, I'm going to let it drip. Okay, and I'm going to set it down on my sheet. of wax paper. Okay, let me do one more. You have to be careful because the chocolate, even though it doesn't harden quickly, you want to get it so that it sticks onto the strawberry and isn't too watery.
No saques la oreja, se ve bonito.
Okay.
Ok, más.
Then I think the next one that I'm going to make, I'm going to put sprinkles on again.
Let's get a sprinkle para the greasy maybe. See?
Okay, see how it's on the strawberry? Remember, you only want the half of the strawberry. The other half you want to put chocolate on. And then, of course, you're going to set it down on your wax paper.
Para tía Chrissy.
Okay, so here again is your bowl of chocolate.
Mover, mueve. Mueve. See?
Okay. Okay, and there's the chocolate and the nonpareil.
No. Cuidado. Okay.
Okay, so how are you finding it? Do you think it's easy or hard?
How was it, guys?
It's easy.
Good, I'm glad.
You enjoyed it, though?
Okay, after you make them, what you may want to do just to keep them fresh and cold is you can put them in the freezer for a few minutes just so that everything gets
Wonderful.
hard on the strawberry.
A little piñata.
Okay, so you can put them in
Look
the
at my
freezer.
strawberry.
Very nice.